Today we will do exercise 4D, page number 63. So here we can see the number that is 4 digit and we have to subtract it from 3 digit number by borrowing, because in some cases the number on the top are smaller as compared to the number at the bottom. So since we have done like this question in exercise 4b, so we will feel easy to do. So here we can see 6 is there and here is 4. Since 6 is greater than 4, so no need to borrow from any number. So 6 minus 4, so take out your 6th finger and minus 4, so that is 2. Now here we can see 1 is less than 8, so it has to borrow from the next number. So we will have a cut and this will become 11 and this will become 0. So 11, you can take out your 11 finger or you can place 11 lines in the book only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 8 is there, so cut 8 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have cut 8 line. What is the remaining one? Can you guess? Yes, it is 3. Now here is 0, so which is also less than 8. So again it will borrow from the next number. So this will become 5 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and here is 5. So like this we have to complete the given question. Now we will see question number 6. So in here 4 is greater than 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Again 5 is less than 8, so it will borrow from the next number. This 5 will become 15 and this 2 will become 1. So 15, you can place 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Since 8 is there, so cut 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here will be 7. Again 1. 1 is less than 5, so it will borrow from the next number. This will become 2 and this will become 11. So 11 minus 5. So we will place 11 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the remaining one? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here will be 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. So like this we can do. Turn the page. Page number 64. Question number 11. So here we can see 7 is there. So we can use the finger or we can place the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And at the bottom 4 is there. So cut 4 line. And what is the remaining? 3. So here we will write 3. Here is 3. So it is less than 9. So it will borrow from the next number. It will become 11 and this will become 13. So we will place 13 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 is there. So we will cut 9 lines and count the remaining, that is 4. Now 1. Again 1 is less than 2, so it will borrow from the next number. This will become 5 and this will become 11. So 11 minus 2 is 9. You can take the help of finger or place the line and subtract it. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now 16 number. So 4, again we can see 4 is less than 6, so it will borrow from the next number. This will become 0 and this will become 14. So we will place 14 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Cut 6. So here we have cut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count the remaining one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have written 8. Now since here is 0, so 0 we will borrow from the next number. This will become 6, this will become 9, and this will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. So like this we can do the all the questions. So here we can see 20 questions are there. So 20 questions you have to do in your book and copy. So how you can do in your copy, let us see. Exercise 4D. You have to write page number. So what is the page number? That is 63. And today's date you will write. Now question number 1 you will copy down, that is subtract the following number. A number you will copy down the question. Subtract the following numbers. So you will copy down the question. Number 1, 1000, बोल रहे हैं समझ में नहीं. So since we have done this question, so you can copy down the answer like this only. Now how you will do second number. So TH for 1000, H for 100, T for tens, and O for ones. 8121, 486. Put the sign of minus. Now put a line on the right side of your copy, and you can use this part for doing the rough work. Now 1 is there, so it is smaller, so it will take from its right side. So 1 will be there, and here will be 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And you at the bottom 6 is there, so you will cut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the remaining? You have to write, that is 5. So we have written. Here again 1 is less than 8, so it will borrow from the next number, and it will become 11, and this will become 0. So 11 minus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the remaining? That is 3. Now it will take from the next number. It will become 10. So 10 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 we have written, and 7, since no number is there at 1000 place at the bottom, so 7 you will write like this only. So we have to complete 2 number. Like this you will complete up to 20 number in your book and copy both. Now B number. In B number we have to arrange the given number in column, and then we have to subtract. It is given in the question. Write the following number in columns and find their difference. So we can see, you will copy down the question here, and from one number we will start. So we will arrange the number. So the given number is 7524 minus 3832. So how we will write the number? So TH for 1000, H for 100, T for tens, and O for ones. so we will put the negative sign. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. Since 2 is smaller than 3, so it will borrow from the next number. This will become 4 and this will become 12. So 12, we will place 12 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Cut 3. So 1 2 3. Now count the remaining, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here will be 9. Now 4 is less than 8, so it will borrow from the next number. This will become 6. So 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Cut 8. 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we will count the remaining, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here will be 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So like this you will complete and you will write the answer in your copy. C number also, find the difference between the given number. Since and is there, so you will write the given number, the number which is larger. Here we can see 5372 is greater than 3621. So this number you will write on the top and this number you will write at the bottom. See here, three number, this 9475 is greater than 5829. So this number you will write at the bottom and this number you will write at the top and this number at the bottom. So we will see which number is greater, that number you will write on the top and the number which is smaller you will write on the bottom and then subtract. So how we can find out? We can see by taking some example. So here C number you will write the question. Find the difference between the given number. So one number you will write TH for 1000, H for 100, T for tens and O for 1. Since this number is greater, that is 5372, so this number you will write on the top and 3621 at the bottom, and then we have to subtract because we have to find the difference. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 7 we have taken out 7 finger and subtracted 2, that is 5, so we have written 5. Here 3 is smaller than 6, so it will borrow from the next number. This 5 will become 4 and 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 minus 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now count the remaining, 4 plus 3 7 and 4 minus 3 1. So like this you can do. See number 3, 2 number you will do on this side. Now 3 you can see how you will do. See here, question is given 9475 and 5829. So you will write TH for 1000, H for 100, T for tens and O for 1. Now you will copy down the question. Since this number is greater than this number, so this number we have to write on the top, that is 9475, 5829. Put the sign of minus. So we can see that 5 is smaller than 9, so it will borrow from the next number. This will become 6 and this will become 15. So we will place 15 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Cut 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now count the remaining one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here we have written 6. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. Again 4 is smaller than 8, so it will borrow from the next number. This will become 8 and this will become 14. Now 14. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Cut 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Count the remaining one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here is 6. Now 8 minus 5 is 3. So like this you will do in your copy. So this is how you will complete all the question of exercise 4D in your copy and book both.